Hey, what's going on, SWILL Gang? Welcome back for another unboxing video here on the channel. And I appreciate every one of you guys for coming here. You guys could have been anywhere, but you guys decided to join here with your boy. All right, so today we're going to unbox this Nintendo Switch 2. Now, you guys might have seen some different videos, of course, but you didn't see mine, okay? So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, especially if you guys like the video and you guys like the content. Now, keep in mind, this channel is a remade channel, okay? This is like I guess an experiment. I'm trying to get my other channel back. It was actually pretty successful, but this is what I like to do for the most part, guys. I like to do product reviews, unboxings, and things like that. But anyway, fast forward here on this channel here. All right, so we got the Nintendo Switch 2. All right, it comes with the Mario Kart World as well. All right, we did get the original Switch. I might show you guys that little comparison on that too. All right, so this has, let's go ahead and unbox this thing up here. So let's open them up. Now, I was very reluctant to get this compared to the first one. I played the first one not very much. I like the first one. And the reason why I got this is because I like to play the old school, like Star Fox. I like to play the Super Mario Brothers, things like that. All right, so we get the Joy-Cons here. It's supposed to be like an upgraded version of these. Let's put these things to the side. We've got the console itself. It's pretty lightweight. Seems a little heavier than the last one. We got the AC adapter here. Ooh. It's got the cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. We got the makeshift controller here. I was never a fan of these controllers like this. Like, it's just, to me, I have bigger hands, so it's not really a good fit for me. So I had to always get a different controller for that. And then we have the docking station itself. All right, this is pretty cool. Like I said, I was really reluctant to get this compared to the first one, but I don't play it very much. I'm more of a PlayStation 5, Xbox person myself. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy real quick. Let's see what we got here in this thing. I was almost going to return this. I'm sure it's got like some kind of plastic thing here. Got the Joy-Cons. I'm just going to place this in just like this. Okay, that's cool. Let me go get the other one real quick. Let me get the other Switch console. All right, so we got the two Switches here. And you can look at the screen here. I mean, of course, I got the Joy-Cons on here, and I have a different protective case on this thing, and it is like, it makes holding this in your hand so much better. But if you just look at the screen real estate, guys, the real estate is like not much bigger, but just a little bit bigger, noticeably. And that's what I like, to have a bigger screen, but I wanted it not to be make it heavy, if that makes sense. All right, so that's what that's looking like right there. Let me go ahead and slap these Joy-Cons on real quick. All right, so before we do that, I know you can use, I've seen this one thing where you can use this as a mouse. And I thought that was pretty cool, but let me go ahead and slap this on. Oh, that's like magnetic, goes in easily. Holy smokes. This is already comfortable. I mean, the first one was comfortable too, but I mean, it seems like this is a little bit heavier. Not much, but just a little bit heavier. But this is, man, this is good. And I was trying to debate if I want to get like a Legion Go device or a Steam Deck. I think those are going to serve for certain types of games that we're looking to play. It's going to serve a whole lot better. But all I gotta do right now is just set it up. But if you guys want to watch me stream, I have a gaming channel. It's called SWILL Gaming. I stream on Kick, I stream on Twitch, I stream on YouTube, things like that. You can follow me there if you guys want to see me live stream this content right here. Let me see. We also have some instructions in here also inside the box, which nobody ever reads. We got some cables in here for your TV. We got I guess these are the little lassos you can put around your wrist, so you're not flinging these things across the room. So that's cool. We got that. All right. And I'm gonna power this bad boy on and everything like that. We'll set everything up, hook it up to the TV and everything like that. But what I wanted to also do is show you guys, I got this Switch controller, Pro controller. All right, because there's no way on this green earth I'm gonna be using this right here. It's too small. It doesn't work out very well. May try it out to see if we like it, but overall, it is what it is. And I got this on Amazon, and I had to get like some kind of an invite because there's like this supply is very, very, very demanding, like very low supply, low quantities on these things and things like that. So let me open up this bad boy. Since we're opening it, we're definitely keeping it now. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Now we're keeping it. All right, so this Pro controller, it's gonna come with this charging cable here. And it's gonna have the controller itself, which I'm excited about. Wow, now this is a controller. All right, so this is cool. Let me get the last year's model, or not last year, but last one's model controller. If I do have it, I don't know if I have it or not. I'm sure I got it somewhere. And I do. But I don't think this is actual official PlayStation one, but this one looks like the part. So it's pretty much the same size. Just a little bit, it might be a little bit bigger. The older one, maybe a little bit bigger, not sure. But this does seem, the buttons seem really responsive, soft to the touch and everything like that. And it's, oh man, it's got the buttons on the back. It's got the extra button, nice. I can just flick those with those fingers. That's what's up. I'm definitely excited to play this today. I bought this a couple days ago, just haven't opened it yet. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and play this bad boy for what it's worth. I hope you guys did enjoy. But like I said, if you guys wanna watch me stream this content, you gotta be subscribed to the other channel, SWILL Gaming. I'll put those links over there for you guys. I'll try to flash on the screen. I'll try to put some links in the description down below as well, so you guys can check me out there also. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.